Rescue efforts continue at the scene of the devastating explosion, debris being removed as rescue officials continue to search for survivors. The combined efforts of security operatives, medical personnel, and emergency responders is yielding fruit as they rescue a man from the rubble. But another was found dead. According to the governor, this brings the number of fatalities to 3, while 77 people are injured. Governor Seyi Makinde adds that more information is filtering in, especially concerning the identity of those responsible for the dastardly act.
Preliminary investigations have traced this blast to the storage of explosives by illegal miners at a house on Dejo Oyelese Street, Bodija. Our security agencies, first responders, emergency services, and all other relevant agencies have been working diligently as they carry out search and rescue operations. I would like to appeal to our people to remain calm as we do everything possible to provide succor to everyone concerned.
The Director General of NEMA, who is also at the scene, confirms that 58 buildings were affected by the explosion.
Disaster management is everybody's business. If you see something, you say something. If you see something, you say something. We are not on ground zero. We have lost more than 58, about 58 houses are damaged.
The coordinator of the emergency response centers sheds more light on efforts made so far to save those who sustained injury and those displaced.
The 2 patients that were initially taken to him with full body radiographs and then samples, and he's going to do his extensive study on the corpse that was retrieved from the site. Otherwise, the other patients are stable, and we're monitoring their progress so far in the various hospitals. The intention now is to harmonize the allocations, to restrict the various hospitals to just 4, 3 private hospitals, and then the University College hospitals.
Those displaced have been provided shelter by the government as rescue efforts continue at the site.